What's up, guys? Welcome to my page. Today I'll be sharing with you how you can turn your Facebook profile into a professional mode, like Facebook page, Instagram page, TikTok page, and Twitter page. So let's get to it. Go to your profile and click on your profile, open your profile, and click on the dots at your right side, the one that I have circled. Click on it, and you see some options. Click on the turn on professional mode. Yeah, click on it, and you see turn on learn more. So click on the turn on, and you're ready to go. It's very simple. Very simple. So here you can decide not to do anything, but it's important to fill in, set all these ones, but you are done. You can just go back and have your page. So now you can see 2.4k followers. That's my followers. Yeah, so it's very easy. Anytime someone enters it or hits into your profile, they will see that your profile is professional. Yeah, you can just let people follow you as Instagram or TikTok. So thank you for watching this video. I think this video is very helpful. See you next time.